Sairam children, welcome back to this session. Part 3, lesson number 9, natural resources. So children, today we are going to continue with the lesson. So children, in the previous class we had learned these 3 topics, isn't it? Soil, water, forest. Can you recall? What is soil? Soil is the loose uppermost layer on the earth's surface. It is useful in many ways. Water. Water is a natural resource essential for life. It is used for many purposes. Forest. Forest provides us with several things essential for life. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn these 2 topics, animals, minerals and fuels. So let's get started. Animals. So children, now tell me, what do we get from animals? Yes, we get milk, eggs, meat, etc. So they provide us with a variety of foods, isn't it? So children, do you know the hide of animals are used to produce clothes? For example, leather jackets, leather belts, and leather gloves. Okay, and in many places across the world, animals are still used as main means of transport, particularly camels. Camels are used where? Yes, camels are used in desert. Which desert? Yes, Thar Desert, and also we can say Sahara Desert. Okay. Animals raised by us for our use are known as livestock. Animals raised by us for our use are known as livestock. They are useful to us in many ways and are an important natural resource for us. Some animals raised by humans are cattle. Cattle means large farm animals kept for their milk or meat. Just now I explained, no? They supply us with variety of food, isn't it? So we'll see some animals raised by humans. They are cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats and camels, hens and duck, fish and other animals. Is that clear, children? Minerals and fuels. So children, what are minerals? Yes, minerals are a natural substance found in the earth. They occur naturally. They are not human made. Okay. Rocks on the earth are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are another important natural resource. So the minerals are obtained from the earth. So children, when the minerals are obtained from the earth, they are in an impure form. They are in an impure form. They are purified and used to make number of things. Is that clear? They are purified and used to make a number of things. So we get metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, gold and silver. So these are shiny and hard. These metals are shiny and hard. And we also get other substances such as diamonds, mica and limestone from minerals. Okay. Next is fuels. So children, what is a fuel? Yes, a substance burnt to get energy. They occur naturally. They are not man-made. Okay. So fuels such as petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are also obtained from the earth. So all these fuels are also obtained from the earth. Petrol, diesel and natural gas are obtained from petroleum. Okay. The mineral resources on the earth are non-renewable. That is, it cannot be renewed. Once used up, they will not be available to us anymore. That is, once it gets over, it will not be available to us anymore. Okay. Minerals such as coal and petroleum, which give us fuels for providing energy, are being used up rapidly. What will happen if these fuels are used rapidly? It will get over, isn't it? So what we should do? We should use them carefully and we should not waste them. So we should use these resources carefully and we should not waste them. And to save these minerals, we should depend on more sources of energy that will never get used up. That is, we have to look for alternative sources of energy which will never get used up. That is, it will never get over. Okay. So can you think? Yes. Solar energy and wind energy. Okay. So children, you must have seen in many complexes, solar panels are installed. They are used for geyser, that is heating water. So they are called solar water heater. I think you must have seen, isn't it? Okay. Children, did you know it took nature 1 million years to create the amount of fuels being burnt by humans today in 1 year? Okay. So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. Okay. Children, let's take a small recap of what we have learned. Okay. Renewable resources are those that will either never run out or are constantly renewed by natural processes. Non-renewable resources are those which once used up or exhausted and are either not renewed by nature or renewed slowly over millions of years. Soil is the loose uppermost layer on the earth's surface. It is useful in many ways. Water is a natural resource essential for life. It is used for many purposes. A forest is a large area of land where there is a thick growth of trees and other plants. They provide us with several things essential for life. Livestock are an important natural resources for humans. Minerals are natural resources from which we get several materials such as metals. Fuels such as petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are non-renewable resources obtained from the earth. Okay. Children, words to remember. Children, you have to remember these words. Okay. Livestock, animals raised by humans for their use. Mineral, a natural substance found in the earth. Fuel, a substance burnt to get energy. So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. Let's do some objectives. Match the columns. So children, first one, livestock. Just look at the screen. There are 4 options given, right? 4 options are there, right? A, petroleum. B, natural resource for humans. C, non-renewable resource. And D, forest. So what is the correct option? Just think, children. Just recall what you have learned. Yes, livestock is? Yes, a natural resource for humans. Okay. Coal. Coal is what? Coal is? Yes, coal is non-renewable resource. Wood. From where do we get wood? We get wood from forest. And petrol? Petrol is obtained from petroleum. Very good, children. So children, read the textbook and try to solve the objectives given in the textbook. So see you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.